bell tower to the left up there. Interesting history around it, worth reading. The NC State Bell Tower, downtown Raleigh. Kind of cool riding through here because you're just adjacent to St. Mary's, and the buildings in there are just all brick and they're stately looking. Over here to the left is the interchange with 440 and Hillsborough Street, which is receiving a drastic upgrade, flyovers and continuous traffic pattern placement. Coming out great. I'd say it's got another 3 years left before it's complete. Yeah, there's the movie theater. Wow, I've heard about the movie theater behind NC State, but I never saw it before. And there it is. Alright, I'm on Reedy Creek Road and I'm gonna head right into Umsted Park here. And I would say I'm not the only one with that idea today. Oh, hi guys! Yep. Okay, we got a guy coming down.
Good?
Hello, yep, thank you for asking. Guy going up. And thank you, sir. On level 4, going 18 miles an hour, up a 9% grade, I guess. I got front wheel drive and rear wheel drive both activated. Okay, heading down this trail, which leads us towards Ebenezer Church Road. We would call this is the Horse Trail. I got it wrong. It's the Sycamore. Denali's old favorite spot down here. And Scahoda's too.